Guys, I'm in Tamala, and behind me is this amazing huge board with all the events that you guys love so much and are crazy about. But today is Sunday, and you know I'm here specifically for one event only, the Sunday brunch. Can you believe with an amazing $1,500 you get unlimited soft drinks, and with $1,700 you get cocktails and spirits? How amazing is that? God, oh my God. And guys, remember, always come on time, not to miss the good thing, okay? So come with me. Okay, I know what I want. I'm gonna go with kid number 2, the 1,700. Yes?
Okay, then from the 1,700 you can have either cocktail or mocktail.
Okay, I'll have everything.
Say that you love me. Oh my, it's a beautiful day.
Hi, how are you? Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. What do I take, a plate? Thank you. And a tissue? All right.
It's a beautiful day. We'll drive on and follow the sun, making Sunday go on and on. Hey, it's a beautiful day.
Hello? How are you? Tell us here, what are you doing?
I have Indian bread.
Nice.
I will bake here and then
Oh, lovely. Yeah. Awesome. I would like to try some. Yes? Can I just take some?
I will give it to my hand.
Oh, thank you so much. It looks so good. Thank you so much. Okay.
It's a beautiful day.
Hello, how are you? Good. Thank you so much.
This is my beautiful day.
So we're here on the grill station. What do you have here today?
I have seafood and I have barbecue too. I have gambas, fish, chicken wings, roasted chicken and beef.
They look amazing. Look at how much food I have. The food tastes amazing. I can't stop going back and forth. This is a lot. And I have Ebe to go to. Oh, Dahin, I'm not sure yet. And I have to go for dessert. What should I do, guys? Please help me. People are just coming for the Ebe. Why is the Ebe so special?
No, this is special.
Really? I want to try it now. And one of the nice things that we love in Tamala is the fact that there's so much versatility. When you come, you eat, there's so many things you can do. You have access to the pool, you have access to the restaurant, and guess what? You also have access to the beach. And what's your name? Marcus. You're gonna have to help me?
It started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the chit chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always got a backtrack when everybody talks back. Hey honey, you could be my drug, you could be my new prescription. Too much could be an overdose, always stress
see, I'm just coming from the beach and I had the most amazing experience horseback riding with my beautiful horse Khadija and the amazing guys on the beach. That left me a little bit hungry, so now we're gonna go check out the dessert. Come with me, let's go. Look at the amazing dessert I have. And guess what? I came back and my cocktail has been refilled. Isn't that some queenly move? I remember the cocktail I had with the cucumber, the mocktail. I came back and surprised, new cocktail. Cheers. So after a long beautiful day in Tamala enjoying the Sunday brunch, we've eaten a lot of food in the buffet. I literally had amazing food. I've been to the beach, I've done the horseback riding. It was an amazing experience. I've even danced with the entertainment team. Now all that's left to do is just lie down here in the pool area, soak in the sun and enjoy the rest of my day. Thanks for joining me.